Okay, my karma babies, I just want to say a few words to you guys. I wanted to park, and before I go back home, I'm going to just take a couple of minutes. I'm not going to take long because I want to get back home. Guys, the overwhelming love that my karma babies gave me. Ooh. Oh my goodness. The comments, the suggestions, the advice. Oh, it's going to take me a week to go through the comments, and I'm going to try to answer you guys, every single one of you. There's almost 400 comments. You guys just love Grandpa so much, and you love us so much, and you know, now I really understand why I do this, why I go on YouTube. I get a lot of support from you guys. You guys are amazing. And quite a few of my karma babies suggested that I do a GoFundMe or a PayPal or a Cash App so that they could send some love gifts to Grandma and Grandpa Karma. And we would really appreciate it. It would be awesome to help us with the different food choices and medications, because we do buy a lot of holistic, like one of his, for instance, one of his drinks that I give him is a beet drink. And so, you know, of course I have to buy the beets, and then it calls for celery root. You can't find celery root anywhere, so I had to buy it off the internet, and that's like $20 a bottle, and it's not a big bottle. There's several other things that I buy. I mean, it is really, really costly, so I would really, anything you guys do, you don't have to, of course, and you know that. You know you don't have to, but if you do, it'll be really appreciated. But guys, I just wanted to come on and say thank you guys so much. I love you guys. I'm going to try to do more videos. Grandpa's feeling pretty good today. He's up and moving around, and we're just gonna keep on going. You know, for quite a while he was in so much pain. I mean, where he could barely even hardly get up out of the bed. He couldn't lay down. He couldn't get out of the, you know, it's an odd thing. You know, you can't walk, you can't sit, you can't lay. So what do? You know, it's just very, very terrible to witness. But the last few days, and I really know, I know that it's because of all the karma babies praying for him. I know it is. Grandpa is feeling better. His pain is subsiding. You know, for one entire day, he didn't have a whole lot of pain. And, you know, now it's kind of coming back again. So we've got to figure it out and get it to the point where he's not in pain like that. But we're going to figure it out, babies, and I love you guys so much, and thank you. And look in the description box, and I'll put in there whichever source that I go to. I'm going to have to talk to my daughter because I really don't know about Cash App. I've seen a lot of GoFundMes, but I think we have to have a certain dollar amount, and if we don't have a certain dollar amount, you know, that we're looking for anything in particular, I don't know about this Cash App, and I don't know about, I do know about PayPal, so, because I have a Poshmark account and I have a PayPal hooked up to it. So, I don't know. Do you get different PayPal accounts? Well, anyway, babies, my daughters will help me out with that. In the meantime, I love you guys, and I'll see you soon, okay, babies? And thank you guys so much again, so much for the prayers. And you've just made me feel better. And I'm just ready to do a nice mukbang and sit down and chit chat with you guys, and we're gonna get it back together, okay? Slowly but surely. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I gotta get back, and I love you. Bye bye.